Hi there, I'm Chris Penney from Grohe. I'm the UK Training Manager, and this is my 90 seconds with KBB Ark. The idea of the Grohe XXL Truck came around from our Chief Executive Officer, Michael Rauterkus. It was one of his visions, one of his dreams to take Grohe to the people, to take the brand and all our products onto the road to show our customers and our consumers and our installers what we're capable of doing. We're getting more and more involved with the self-build community, and we have now a permanent stand at the National Self-Building and Renovation Centre in Swindon. The reason we're getting more involved in the self-build community is that we see a potential growth to sell more product, to get more people interested in Grohe, and to build the brand of Grohe. So we've recently launched a new water security system. We have two products. We have Grohe Sense and Grohe Sense Guard. Grohe Sense is a small puck that you can place around different parts of your property, and quite simply, if water hits the two pins on the back of the system, it will send an alert to an app on your phone, onto your smartphone, to alert you that you have a potential leak within your property. Linked with Grohe Sense Guard, that will automatically turn the water off for you within your property. So that was my 90 seconds with KBB Ark. If you'd like more information about Grohe products, please visit our website at grohe.co.uk.